Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is VIN 571. This is a 2016 8X1 ultrasonic blue mica with LA30 red interior. Some call it the Superman spec. That's what my blue GSF is, not pictured here. So this one popped up at Copart in Miami, Florida with 160,000 miles, and it looks like there is no saving this one. This is one of 36 that was in this color combination. And so now there's 35. There's actually less than that, but this is one of 36 that existed, and the owner posted on Club Lexus about what happened. So he was just going north down a highway and somebody turned right in front of him, crossing traffic, ran right into him, and didn't even have the car for like 3 weeks, and this happened. So it's unfortunate. It looks like the insurance paid him about $34,000 for it, and he's on the hunt for another one, so hopefully we can help him find one. But just kind of wanted to share that it looks like there are still some salvageable parts on this car, and if it doesn't go too crazy high, there's still some room for profit even as a parts car. 160,000 miles though, you know, it's kind of up there for mileage, but the back half of the car is salvageable and all of the airbags have deployed, but that can be repairable. You know, for somebody that has a car that they're trying to get back on the road. The carbon fiber trimment's inside, it's delaminating, but it's obviously you can send it off to like SMA fabrication and get repaired. But a couple wheels, brakes, but the front half is pretty much a total loss. And obviously the frame is bent and suspension is ripped out from underneath it. And there's some other missing parts on the front end. So, you know, it's kind of sad to see we're off to a bad start here in 2026. We've already lost 6 of these cars and it's only 2 weeks into the year. Look for it soon to be either up for bids or being parted out on eBay, or hopefully an enthusiast can buy it and, you know, salvage at least the majority of the parts off of it before it goes off to the junkyard. So joins the other GSFs. There are several hundred that are in the junkyard in the sky. So VIN 571, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.